Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a happy farm. We'll be drawing a barn and a friendly farmer. Are you excited? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw a big barn. I'll begin with its window, just like this. Then, I'll add some hay inside. Below the window, I'll draw the main door. Now, let's draw the barn's roof, making it nice and sturdy. Next, I'll sketch the barn walls. Did you know that barn walls are usually made of wood? To make them straight and even, I'll use this ruler. Each wooden plank is the same width, making the barn look neat and strong. Now, let's draw a friendly farmer standing next to the barn. First, I'll draw his face with tiny eyes and a big happy smile. Then, I'll add his ears and his hair. Of course, every farmer needs a hat. Let's draw one on his head. Now, I'll draw his body, starting with his clothes. Next, I'll add his arms, and don't forget his boots. He's holding a pitchfork in his hand just like real farmers do. Finally, I'll draw a bright sun in the sky, shining over our happy farm. Now, I'm going to use a black marker to make our drawing stand out more. Time to color. To make our drawing come to life, we'll need these colors: yellow, sky blue, brown. First, I'll use brown to color the roof of the barn. Now, I'll color the barn walls plum, such a sweet and cozy color. The main door is also plum, since it's made of wood too. Next, I'll use yellow to color the straw. It looks so bright and fresh. For the farmer, I'll color his hat yellow. Now, I'll use orange and sky blue for his clothes. His hair is brown, and so are his boots. For the sun, I'll use yellow to make it shine. His pitchfork will be gray, and for his skin, I'll use a soft cream color. Great job! Did you have fun drawing this happy farm? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can draw more fun things together. See you in the next video. Goodbye!